Tomorrow.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone's here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside.